23. Easy 2 points. Coach. And shoot. Seroy, sa ilalim. Sipalpal ang inabot. Magpal tayo. 0-8. 0-8, first personal foul, 13 foul.
Depensa.
Number 15. And to shoot tayo. High.
Huwag matutulog sa court. Natutulog kasi.
Latara. And how can that pass to number 11? Number 11. Sa ilalim.
Aywa, engineer. How are you? Good.
Number 17. Sa ilalim. Try to shoot. Steal. Number 15. Number 15. Steal. Matay tayo.
Laglag.
Foul by number 19. Second personal foul, second team foul. First personal by Sir 8. Foul.
Shot!
Next, what company?
Sir Pedro.
This one, Mapimalong company.
Green ball tayo.
No. This one,
Steal by number 11. After La Torre pass to number 17. Easy 2 points.
Sapa.
pasa-pasa kasi, matagal kasi pumasa eh.
Explanation again.
Sobrang basa pa eh. Magpas na eh.
Hindi, magpawasa sila, alanganin na eh. Dapat yung hindi alanganin mga pasa. Pasa, alanganin puro eh. Tapos yung bola, natutulog pa.
Number 11. Number 11. And to shoot. Number 27. Foul. Foul by number 1.
Graduate.
I'm out. Falcon. Number 1. That's your third personal foul. 13 fouls. Remaining score 70 down to 55. In favor of Psycho Bullers. Okay, back to the ball game.
Good.
Number 8, 2 points.
Baba!
Bilisan yung bola dito, baba na.
May foul tayo. Foul by number 08. Second personal foul, running for penalty. Number 1. Number 1. And to shoot. Okay, wala. Reba by number 08. Sembol pa rin tayo. Or 10 seconds to shoot. 15. Pass to number 10. 14. Wala. Reba by 08. Astro 11. Number 11. Fail to shoot. Number 27, La Torre, 3 seconds violation. Okay, proceed. Pass to number 1. Kailalim. Easy 2 points. By number 10. Number 1 naman ang malaman.
Good, let's go!
Seal. By number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 15.
Tira mo na!
Number 15, pass to number 1 for the 3. Bang! 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 3 points.
Depensa! Depensa!
Yan, bumaba na sa Dosa Kalaman. Number 11, sa ilalim, wala. Inabing, yung number 19. Steal, number 7, 27. Easy 2 points.
Nice to, Jerome, nice to!
Pass to 23, sa 3. To the 3. That's 2 points. 2 points na tayo.
Depensa lagi!
Number 17. Wala. Rebound by number 10. Steal.
Bola, bola!
Time out. Falcon.
Engineer, set up engineer. How are you? Good.
Yan sa guys ko, tatlo pa ang time out. Last player time out. And sa Falcon, isa na lang ang time out. At may players time out tayo. Okay, back to the ball game.
Ayan na.
Bilisan yung bola doon! Pasa lagi!
Wobbling violation.
Pinasaan yung bola eh. Pinasaan yung bola. Akala na, bigas yata yun.
27, inside the ball. Pass to number 27, La Torre. Head to shot, to steal. Pass to number 19. Number 19. Steal. Pass to number 11. Number 17.
Good shot!
Easy 2 points.
Gidritso!
Number 19. Pass to number 15. For 3. Wala. Reba by La Torre. La Torre. Pass to number 11.
Yapa!
Number 11. Last 2 minutes. 10 to shoot.
Oh, 10 to shoot!
Time. Falcon goes tayo.
Pasa!
Number
Takal
19.
pumasa eh. Dritso mo na.
Pass to number 10. Wala. Number 1, that's your 4th personal foul. 14 foul.
Shot block. Nakaating bitawan. Tayo oras.
Number 11, the way to start there. Number 11. Head to shoot tayo. Hi!
Tira! Good shot!
Number 11, easy 2 points.
Gidritso mo na!
Number 23, sa ilalim, sumakasa. Head to shoot.
Tira mo na yan!
Number 17, easy 2 points. Ayan. Isip na po ang Kalamangan.
26 seconds, eh now.
Tira!
Seconds to play. Number team for 3 points.
Baba. 8 seconds pa rin sunod yan.
Basic na lang mga kaibigan.
Alay!
And to shoot. 23. Warning. Penalty na tayo.
31 seconds na lang.
23, that's your third personal foul. Yeah, first free throw. And ready to go. Good
Good shot.
Oh, simple tayo, simple. Ready, select.
Good shot.
Last shot. Rising 4.
Baba ka lang mo, baba.
Here goes. Number 19. 2 points. Last shot.
Patay oras, patay oras, patay oras.
And the fourth quarter, remaining score 83 down to 67
Second
in
game.
favor of
First game.
Cycle Bowlers.
Ha? Ha. Los.
Sige, kamay-kamay.
No, win here. Steven 83.